Hi guys, in this video we will see how we can use dialogflow to build an AI enabled chatbot. Dialogflow is powered by Google, so you can use your Google account to go into its console. So I have already signed up for this dialogflow, and this is the greeting screens of dialogflow. So you can see that on the left hand side there is a navigation panel, and on the right hand side you can see it's a tryout panel where you can test your dialogflow, and in the middle by default you'll see the intents and also anything you selected from this navigation panel. So let's discuss what these intents are. Intents are basically something which identified what user wants to ask, what is the user query, and what is the response that intent has to give. There are two default intents that are being displayed over here, and let's check out the what's inside the default intent. So inside the default intent you can see that there are some there is a context, event, and training phrases, some action parameters, and default output. So these training phases are actually the data set that you have to train. These are the user queries that user may ask to your dialogflow agent, and the dialogflow will respond with the data in this default responses section. So let's try this section out because this is already built for us. So I will say hello. So as you can see, when I say hello, it says greetings, how can I assist you? So it's the fourth number of response dialogflow is saying. So in this video we will be creating a dialogflow agent that takes pizza order and deliver it to you at your doorstep. Of course, not taking your address, just the pizza and its order. So first of all, I'll have to create an intent to identify whether the user is asking what user is asking for. So when user is asking for pizza, so let's say user is asking for pizza, I would add some training phrases. So it might be pizza. Training phrase can be I'm hungry, I need a pizza, I am looking for a pizza, what I want to order a pizza. So these are the training words that one can add. These are the training phrases, which is called data set, that you should gather from your clients, from your customers, that what queries they are sending to you, and based upon those you can have these trainings here. So I save this intent. So default response is nothing, we didn't added the response, but let's say that let's check out if our dialogflow can actually recognize this intent. So I would say order a pizza. So it does recognize this intent as a pizza. So you can see that there is a intent, and default response is not available yet because we have not defined any default response. Now let's say that user want to order some particular pizza and we sell only 3 pizzas. So for that we need to have a thing called entities. Here we will be using custom entities. I will create a new entity that is named as pizza name. So inside the entity I will define my 3 options. So let's check out uh, pizza names. So these are the 3 pizzas I will be using. First one is margarita, the second one is marina, and the third one would be this one. Let's say this one is easy, carbonara. So these are the 3 pizzas that my restaurant sells, and I have saved this entity. I'll go back to my pizza intent now. So as you can see that after you say that I want to order a pizza, or I am hungry, I need a pizza, definitely there should be a mechanism where I should save what pizza you want to order. So for that I will take help of this action and parameters. So this action and parameters, as it says, are specific value extracted from users request when entities are matched. So there are some the entities we just created, so we will take use of this action. So let's say this is a required field because I definitely need a pizza name, so I will name it as a pizza name, and I will use the entity which is we defined just now. So these are the system entities which we are not using. Our defined entities will be at the bottom. So this is the entity we defined here, and we'll save this value to as a pizza name. Since it's a required value, so I will say that default response when this value is not present, we have what three pizzas do we have? We have margarita, so this is margarita. We have Mariana pizza, and we have carbonara pizza. So these are the pizzas that I added as a default response. As a default prompt, not response, as a prompt, that when these pizza are not available, when user didn't enter any pizza name, so we will be asking which pizza do you actually want. So I'll close this out, and since it's a required field, I will save this intent. Now again, let's try it out. I would say I need a pizza. So it says instead of any other response, we earlier used to receive a default response, but now we say that this is this prompt we are having. It says we have margarita, Mariana, and carbonara pizza, and you can see that our pizza name parameter is still an empty value. So when I say it as that I need a margarita pizza, so my pizza name has been filled, but my default response is not available. After ordering my pizza name, definitely I need to add a pizza size because I sell pizzas in the three different sizes. So I will create another entity for pizza size. Let's say I will create pizza size here, and define three different entities here. So one is small, the other one is medium, and the other one, last one, is large. So for medium, I have one more synonym term that says regular. So if somebody say regular size pizza, that's a medium pizza. So you can define your synonyms here inside the entities only. Once the pizza size is done, let's go back to our pizza intent again. So pizza intent is here, and you can see that I will create a new parameter that says pizza name, pizza size, and that will be mapped to my pizza size entity, and the value will be saved in pizza size. And I will define a prompt here. What size would you like to have? Let's say small, medium, or large. So after defining this pizza, when we save this intent, our dialogflow is going to ask what size of pizza do you want. So I will say try it out. Hi, I need so it says hello, how are you, how can I help you, I need a pizza. So it says we have margarita, Mariana, and carbonara pizza. So I'll say I need a Mariana pizza. So it says it's still looking for the response, and let's wait for a while. So yeah, so when I say that I need a Mariana pizza, it says which size of pizza do you like. I would say, so here you can see that my pizza size is still empty. I'll say I need a, let's say, regular pizza, regular size pizza. So I need a regular size, so I didn't added any small, medium. So since you did know that in entities we developed a synonym for our pizza. So you can see that our pizza size has been set to medium, which was empty earlier because there was synonym. Now let's talk about the default response. Once you order this pizza, you want the customer to know it's pizza. uh, the customer ordered the pizza and the, of course, size of the pizza. So default response will be, I'll be adding a response here, your, so this is the pizza name we used, pizza underscore name, and your pizza name of this pizza size is on the way to kitchen. So of course, when I will be ordering a pizza, this will be the default response. Let's try it out. So hi, so it's a default intent. When I say I need a pizza, it says we have, so this time I'll order Mariana pizza. So what size of pizza do you want? I'll want a small size of pizza. I'm not feeling hungry today, so I'll say I want a small pizza. So it says your Mariana of small is on the way to kitchen. So instead of small, let's say of small size. And this is how you create this small contextual dialog box that uses dialog flow, that uses intents, entities, and a flow of this chart. And you go to its integrations and you can see that there are different integrations available. I'll show you this in a web demo. Also, there is this iframe, so I'll just copy this console here and go to the new window. So this is a sample. So here I can ask something and say hi, hello, how can I help you? I want to order a pizza. So I'll say I need, well, I think a margarita will do just right. Let's see if we can have it, understand it or not. Of course, as you can see that my training phase was different. I didn't selected the direct value, but I gave some input, and it was able to extract the entity out of it. So it knows that I need margarita pizza. So we are two friends, we are just two people, so a regular size pizza would help us a lot. So that's done. So it says your margarita of medium size is on the way to kitchen. So this is the small dialog flow size that we developed. Also, one exciting thing that this dialog flow has is various integration that it has a, you can integrate it onto your web, Skype, or this Facebook Messenger, Slack, and there is something called phone beta gateway. So if you build this on your phone gateway, so actually you will be able to call this number and order your pizza here as well. So I'll be just taking out this here. Okay, it's look like server is unavailable. Let's try it later. I will refresh it once again. And I will enable a phone beta. It's checking the status. Okay, so it says it's there and it is this phone number here. So I'll try to call out this number. This is an international number from my cell phone. I will bring my phone to this near to computer so that you can hear the voice. So it says +14242556095. So let's see. So it says,
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. I would like to order a pizza.
We have margarita, marinara, and carbonara.
I want a margarita pizza.
What size would you like to have, small, medium, or large?
I want a medium size of margarita pizza.
Your margarita of medium size is on the way to kitchen.
So that's it, guys. I think you are able to hear this sound, and this is the dialogflow phone gateway, which is a voice bot, and of course you can enable this in and remove the IVRs that are needed, those funny IVR that says press 1, press 2, press 3. So those things has been I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.